Okay, guys. We have to cut the cake bread straight, 90 degree, and we remove the top of the cake.
Oh, what are you doing?
Just are you listening? Or?
He said straight 90 degree. That's like straight 90 degrees down. I paid attention in school.
Okay, 360 degrees.
Now, how many layers?
Only 3 layers. First, we divide it like 2. Then, we have to be always straight hand, so to have all the layers the same.
Yeah, right.
Oh my God.
Okay, first layer. Second.
Jasper, are you listening or you?
There's 3.
Yes, 3. Yes. Don't follow him.
I'm following you. I just have a really short attention span. We gotta go fast here. Can't go slow.
We have a syrup. We have normal syrup.
What is it?
1 cup of sugar, 2 cup of flour. Flour? No, water.
Flour?
Yeah. Just boil for 1 minute and then keep it to cool down. And then you make nice
What is it for?
moisture cake. Just to make it wet.
Moist. It's good to put some lemon inside, no? When you're boiling.
What is it? What's inside this again?
The best when it's boiling, 1 squeeze. Just normal syrup.
You put that inside?
No, this after.
After where?
Yeah, after on the cake.
Okay, what do we do next?
Just a little bit, don't get drunk.
Okay. How little?
How little?
How
Just
little I
little.
can. Yeah, little.
Nice.
Okay.
It's gonna be a long day today.
Then we have piping bag. We fill it with fresh whipping cream.
How do you make the cream, chef?
The cream is so easy, just 1 liter of whipping fresh cream. There is 2 kinds, one with sugar and one without sugar. If without sugar, we put added 200 grams of sugar or 1 cup of sugar.
How much gram?
Just as much as you can. Okay.
You think I'd be good at it? I shave my head every day, but
Okay, what do we do next?
Then we can start whipping the cake.
Okay.
why don't we just take a scoop and do like that?
This is not professional way, guys.
Dramatic. Extra step, not needed.
Here is the best part.
Wait, chef, wait.
Yeah. Okay.
See?
No power, no rice
All you
today.
have to do is scoop and go. There you go. I saw this on cake.
Don't follow them, guys.
I know how to use this. I saw Buddy do it on cake box.
The best part, just to add it the beautiful jelly. Yeah. I give you guys.
I don't even have cherries.
Can you get some cherries?
I-
telepono.
So cruelly, man.
Ay, ito na lang okay, GM kasi.
Tawag na lang ng cherry pala.
I guess we'll make them some spits and stuff.
Oh yes, this one's going to my office. Did you think I was sharing? No. Sandra, where are you? You won't even be getting in here.
That's why you
I
put the booze in.
have to check the staff's ID.
Nandiyan si Christian. Bigyan mo kay Christian, bilis.
Just when you have a nice decorated, you just put little bit of chocolate to be crunchy.
Yung maruchino mo, talaga nga dito, bilisan mo, lagay mo sa puting lalagyan.
Any cake,
Yung
you
dito
have
sa may
some
deck
creamy,
6.
something
So, bliss lang.
soft
Bliss
and
lang.
something crunchy.
Bisa mo.
And that will give you the experience.
Thank you. Madam, thank you.
Oh yeah, baby.
Wow, chef, that's really pretty. That's why you're a
Nice.
world champion. That's amazing.
What you got?
I'll
What's
make
next,
this
chef?
with mine.
Then little bit cream.
Again.
Yeah.
This is not sugar-free, fat-free at all. Huh?
See, he doesn't learn. He's still going with the bag. Look, he's struggling. You need to go to the gym, bro. Like, it's just cream.
I think he didn't have breakfast today. He has no problem.
Diet, huh? Okay. What
Okay.
you got?
Yeah, this looks
Yeah.
okay.
Fantastic. What do you mean by that?
Then we have another one, another layer of chocolate cake. And then we added our syrup.
Again.
Normal syrup.
That's good. This is nice.
Don't touch this cake, guys.
No one likes a dry cake.
And this little bit
Potential
So you're being
hazardous cake.
stingy, chef. You could never make me a drink. Look at that. Go for it.
just a little bit of cherry liquor.
Just some flavors.
You guys see that video on like it's like viral and the lady's just like, oh, just one shot. Y'all seen that video, right? I love that video. They got cookie monster. Why would you put that in there? Where did you even who carries some applesauce in their pocket? So it's gonna blow up.
Guys, I want to concentrate.
Unknown substance.
Lucky I'm Latino, I like spicy things. I'm just gonna keep this later because y'all stingy.
Then we have
Keep this safe right there.
the second layer.
Second layer.
Yeah,
Again.
whipping cream.
Run out.
And then the best part again, the cherry.
Almost there. I can smell the Tabasco. Like,
Incredible.
so weird.
Steak is a Mexican blend for steak. Mexican blend.
Chef, can you keep those over there? I'll try something.
You really wanted to eat that cake, right? Chef, what do you do with this nice juice inside?
Baka mo tayo, tutok mo kami.
Drink it later.
Tutok mo kayo. Tutok mo. Ayan.
Can't you smell the Tabasco sauce? Can you smell it? Like, no.
Chocolate again? Then
Listen, I'm probably just hungry.
chocolate again?
Yes, chocolate crunch. This is pyramid, not a cake.
Okay.
Then we have the final one. Before we put little cream just to stay and cover our cakes.
Comedy gold and you have no clue what's going on.
Okay. What do you do? This is the magic juice on top of
Yes,
this.
little juice, guys.
Magic juice. Okay.
Oh, it goes upside down. You didn't say that.
Magic juice.
And
This is a very boring recipe. You should do something innovative.
just a
I
little
want to
bit
go
of
like
sugar.
a
Volcano or something.
This is a pyramid. They changed the recipe. It's not mine, guys.
Oh, this is
Something.
brandy.
I want to do something different.
You guys are so very
That's fancy. I thought it was vodka. Oh.
Oh my God. Shit. You need to be a bit open-minded.
No, this is dangerous.
You see?
This cake only for adult guys. Not less 18 years old.
Also for the cabin. Just collecting items off to the side. This is neat.
This is the final part. Ready?
That's your final part.
Oh, I'm missing a piece of cake. Where's that extra piece come from?
Just to spread with the spatula.
Okay, we're gonna pretend like that is the fourth piece.
No, don't.
I'm not
Art,
gonna be mean
please.
like you. I'm just gonna grab.
This is what you call art.
You will not be selling that at auction. What's those pieces called? A Monet? It looks really nice. Then you get closer, you're just like,
This Van Gogh. Serializing cake.
Come on, guys. I need some support. Please.
you got a big clap.
Can I?
Thank you. I'm just gonna pretend like the side is covered.
I don't know what we call these cakes, but I'm sure it's not black forest.
This is mid-generation black forest cake.
Are we gonna use this bag for anything else? Sean?
Yes. Just we divided the cake. How many? Like normally we make it for 10 person.
I'm running out.
Then the final part, guys.
Chef, you are super worried.
Oh, why'd you cut it?
Here ready. Almost finished the cake.
Wait,
Let's
you
see.
cut it off.
Faster.
Why is it already
Faster,
cut?
faster, guys. 8, 3, 7, 4, 10, 29, 1,
I don't even have strawberries.
0. Set.
You need.
Oh my God. Does it count? This is good shit cake.
Does it count? No,
No
no,
one
no.
knew there was a timer happening.
You need ready to outside. How beautiful it is.
Guys, we need you judge the cake. You are the judge and tell us which cake is here.
Alcohol, and that was a cherry.
Which cake is here? The best. I don't know what they call it, but this is absolutely not Dubai's best cake.
But his isn't even all the way done. Look at the other side.
He's cheating.
You can't just present this to the guests. It's like, hey guys, you
This is
Come to the dark side.
this is the black and this is the forest.
I was like, that's horrible.
It's an Instagram picture. Look at this. Come to the dark side.
Okay, so mine's leaking.
Yeah. You're surprised.
Okay, guys,
let's see.
who do you think made the best cake? Chef, right? But whose cake do you think is going to taste the best and you're going to enjoy the most?
Who is the most creative?
You get the participation award. You guys want to try our cake?
Is that reminds you something?
No. No, we're about to eat. We don't want that to remind us of something. All right, guys. So as you can tell, we kind of made. This one's actually going to go to my office, so let's. This one,
If you want to.
yeah, we do have spare ones that the chefs have already created for you. So we would love for you to actually come out and have a little sugar rush to enjoy the rest of your day. So come on up. Come on up. Don't be afraid. Yeah, there you go. We got some cake for you. Grab a plate, grab a spoon, grab a napkin, and come enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much.
Kasama mo ako sa video. Kasama kita.
Thank you guys so much for coming out. Coming up next
Focus
is
eh.
our auction.
Ewan ko.
Stranger Things trivia going on. So if you're into the show from Netflix, come on over and join me over there. It will happen at 1:30.